Drop them both.
Wait, what? I'm sorry, I don't think I was clear. You still have time to save one of them.
No, I get it. You were clear. It's just I'm fine with letting them both drop.
I think he's confused. You're acting like you don't want to save them.
Well, yeah, I don't. In fact, I want to watch them fall.
What?
I want to see them hit the water.
Well, wait, you're not joking. This isn't like you at all.
Oh, yeah? Well, what if this is the real me? What if I'm sick of giving up everything trying to save these people, only to be unappreciated? What if I just want to sit back and let this ungrateful city eat itself alive so that everyone can realize just how much they need? You asked me to choose, Goblin? Well, I choose chaos.